Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I am sharing a Natalie Attired collection with you. So I actually received one probably about a month ago when they first started, and to be honest, I wasn't really thrilled with it and I just didn't get around to filming it. I did end up keeping all of it. With the Natalie Attired collection pieces, they're sending you 3 to 4 pieces. I think it's 3 or 4. I got 3 each time. You pay $57 for the collection plus $10 for shipping. I think they're only running it to the end of this month, but I peeked, of course I peeked, and I'm thrilled. There's one piece that I'm, it's not really me, but that's okay because the other 2 pieces make up for it. Haven't tried them on yet, but I know, yeah, I'm gonna love them. All right, let's try them on. Let's see how everything looks. Hang on one second. Okay, so first top, this is by the brand Caite. I think it's Caite. It's C-A-I-T-E. And it's the Alena Tunic. It's valued at $109. Wow, can you believe that? Now, I only paid, I don't know if I'd pay $109 for this. I don't know, it would depend, probably not. But I only paid $57 for this bag, so this more than covers the cost, right? All right, oh, I didn't finish telling you about it. It's an extra large and it's 95% viscose and 5% spandex. How gorgeous is the embroidery? Look at how pretty the colors are. There's pink, there's blues, there's white, there's yellows. I'm gonna come closer. Can you see how pretty that is? Love the embroidery. And when I turn around, you're gonna see it's on the back too. Yeah, it's so cool. 3/4 length sleeves, and I like the length of it. It's got a little bit of a flow to it, but not too much where you lose that shape, you know what I mean? I think it's a gorgeous top, isn't it? Now, I feel like because there's so many colors in the embroidered detail that you could really wear any colored bottoms with this. That's in, like, if you had a color of pants that was this color blue or this color pink or yellow, you could really wear it. You could wear it with white, you could wear it with regular denim, you could wear it with black denim. There's so many different bottoms that you could wear this with, so it'll go with a lot. And I love that the background of this top is black. I love to wear black, and I do wear black even in the spring and summertime, but you get the pop of color. It brightens it up with all the embroidered details. So I'm in love with this top. I think it's definitely a Kayla top, and I'm so happy they sent it to me. They actually emailed me and said, hey Kayla, your bag's gonna ship a little bit late because we're waiting for a top to come in. And this must have been the one. It must have been, right? So it has 3/4 length sleeves. Yeah, did I already tell you that? But I just love this top, so I'm probably gonna repeat myself because there's so many things that I love about it. I love the length of it. Oh, I gotta show you the back, but I have it on with a pair of jeans they sent me. I think these are wax jeans or waxy jeans. I've never tried a pair of them. I'm loving these. I know, I've said a lot that I don't need any more denim. I don't own any denim that's this light. I know, I don't usually pull for light denim, but I love these. Let's finish talking about the top and then we'll go down and talk about the jeans. Hang on, let me turn around and show you the back of this top. I'm gonna pull my hair to the side so you could see how pretty the detail is in the back, okay? Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I just love it. I love the embroidery. I think it's so pretty. There's something about all the detail that I just love. Actually, you can probably see the jeans. I'm gonna back up and show you, and I'm gonna actually grab some wedges in a second after I finish talking about the jeans. Maybe I'll turn the camera down depending on if you can see it or not. But I think it would be nice to show you a full outfit and how I'd probably style it. But let me talk about the jeans first. These are by Wax. These are Wax jeans. They're the high-rise slim straight jean, and they're valued at $46. Now, I forgot to look at the material. I forgot to look at the size too, but I'll look and I'll put it across the screen and I'll put it below. I think they sized me up, which is good. But look at how pretty the color is. The light wash. I really like them. And they hit me, at a perfect spot on my ankle. Aren't they great? I like these a lot. Let me show you the back of them too. What do you think? I think they fit perfectly. And they are a high rise. They come to about here. You know what? Let me grab those wedges because I want to show you how I wear it as an outfit. So let me do that. Hang on one second. Okay, so this is the third piece I received, and this is the only one that I wasn't crazy about. This is the Umgee. I usually like the Umgee brand too. This is the short sleeve V-neck mixed media top, $46, extra large. So the top itself is 100% cotton, but then the contrast in the front, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So I'm gonna come close so you could see the pattern. It is kind of pretty. The only thing that I'm not really crazy about, I think, is the contrast for some reason. I don't know. Or maybe it's the collared neckline. I'm not really like a collared neckline person. Maybe I can make it a little bit preppy. Oh, maybe I can play around with it. You know what? We might be able to make this work, but you know, for one piece not working, the rest of the bag, you know, the cost was covered. So I'm not upset about it. It's the sleeve length is great. It might be a good top for just kind of like, you know, being around the house. It's not bad actually. The more that I look at it, it's kind of got like a panel type of look with all the different designs. What do you think? I like the colors of it. I really like that it has orange, it has, you know, some teal, some of the darker blues. You know what, give me a second. I'm gonna try something, okay? 1 second. All right, so what do we think about it with a denim jacket? I think it's a little bit better. It might be. I kind of popped the collar outside of the jacket, and the white was blowing out the print, so you can see the print better if I hide the white, can't you? For some reason, the camera does not like white. Nope. But you can see the pretty color, so yeah, I mean, it's a little bit better with the denim jacket, right? What do you think? It's normally something I'll make it work. I'm gonna make this top work somehow because I'm not sending anything back. Well, you can, you could send all 3 pieces back, but you can't like keep 1 or 2, you know what I mean? So it's either you keep all, you keep nothing. So I'll make this top work, and if I don't, I'll give it away. What do you think? It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be actually. When I first saw it, I'm like, not really, but you know, I kind of like it as like a preppy look. I don't normally, I don't know, I'd have to play around with it. Yeah, it's not as bad as I thought. Nope, really not. Okay, we'll make it work. It's a good length of a top too. It's kind of different. I don't know, for some reason I'm kind of liking it now. Maybe I'm crazy, but I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. But I think that my favorite piece for sure, I don't know, I'm really liking these jeans, and these jeans are so comfortable, and I watched back and I think they make me look pretty good, right? Maybe I'm wrong, but I like the jeans a lot. I'm very happy to have jeans in this wash, but you know, my favorite piece, it's right here. Let me just grab it. Whoops, hang on. I'm not gonna turn the camera off. I won't make you sit through that. Whoops, I probably should have because now I'm struggling. Yeah, I love this piece. This is my absolute favorite. I just love the colors. Can you tell I'm so excited about it? I love it. And you know what I realized when I watched back? The darn tag was blocking the back of the top. So I'm gonna show you the back of the top like this so you could get an idea of what it looks like. So it's got the same colors, the same pattern in the back. I think that's gorgeous. I love that detail. Wear your hair up, right, in a bun. So yeah, this was a great collection. This stole the show. In my opinion, this stole the show. This is kind of growing on me. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But I really, yep, so happy. So thank you so much for joining and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you thought of my collection. I've seen a ton of other YouTubers unbox their collections, or unbag their collections, I should say. And I think that most people received some great collections. I thought it was a great idea as well. So yeah, and Natalie Attired always has unique pieces, which I appreciate. I do. Some stuff you can't find in like other boxes. And that's one of the reasons I do boxes, to get unique pieces. All right, so I'm gonna stop. I have a lot of filming to do today, so you'll be seeing a lot of me. I hope that's okay. Again, I appreciate you spending some time with me, and I will see you in my next video.